talk. Alright, come in. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. And I don't know other birthday today, and see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So that video is based up on me treating my son for the whole day. I mean, we kind of start late still, but I don't know the boss there. Same way, and me there. So we just try one thing, you know. First, we get a mask. I don't know, so safe the first and one other thing. So, me and the boss get a mask, and then me and him just make some road in town, and we get to see everything same way. Him himself not even know me again. To be honest, me don't know what me I get the same way. So, stay tuned for that and everything. I don't know. Yeah, man, big up on yourself, peeps. So, see? Yes, the mask them selling a Dary. Yeah, but said they got two masks now. Yeah, guys, so we'll get two masks and one thing. I don't know. Yeah, guys, just get one mask and some things, so we're ready to keep stepping. Is the man I say? I nearly drop a while ago, but you don't know any gentle people. Them there in the streets of Falmouth, same way, some subscriber over there today. I do up them things same way, you see me? Yeah, guys, so right now we're in a Falmouth, going to work with the boss and treat him for the day of his birthday and them things. So stay tuned. You don't want to see what I got. What you say, my boss?
Stay tuned, yeah.
Ah! Job show, not sure. So Dary, what you don't want for your birthday?
One phone or one tablet.
One phone or one tablet?
Yes.
Now go buy one tablet, but not now. So I make one phone or one tablet, you don't want?
Because now.
So you have one phone already?
That you want one charger.
Alright, I have a next surprise you I go buy you today, but not one phone or one tablet today, here. Alright guys, so my plan was to try to get Dary a bicycle for his birthday, which is not actually working right now because everywhere I check in Falmouth I can't really get a bicycle for him. His wish or his desire for his birthday was to get like a tablet or a cell phone. So I'm gonna go check out a phone store to see if I could probably find him a little tablet or a cell phone like what I want. So stay tuned for that, alright? Guys, right now it's raining for days. Like we've been trapped here for like so long right now. I don't even know if you guys can hear me, but it's actually raining. It's pouring hard outside. Alright guys, long story short, just get my boss a tablet for his birthday, as you can see. That's a part-time treat. I actually couldn't get to record everything when in at the store because like the storekeeper them and them people them that want to make away like we can't really record in there and stuff like that. So still buy it for him and everything. So right now we'll go try to get something to eat. It's been pouring rain like non-stop. So as soon as the rain will up, I bring him to get something to eat and them thing there. Yeah man, so the boss actually get one more for his birthday. I'm never buy my bicycle, but when I think about it, it's the same one, a tablet or a phone, so I'm getting the tablet. So that's a stay tuned, alright? Guys, I literally get trapped to about an hour in the place. We'll finally get to leave and now I go back on for the car park. Get some things to eat and just go back home because the rain done mash up most of the day already, but I still do a little video, probably not be as long, but you know, do a little thing.
All one time to see a gun, still love my father, alright? Still like him.
Same still love and like, I don't understand why I'm trying to say.
Like still rate you.
But stay tuned guys, alright? Don't know. Hi. Hello. Who that? Kind of look like in taller than Ricky. In taller, man. Alright guys, so right now with the back of the car, lighting kind of bad on the camera. Open the door there and see if the light up on the camera. Yeah guys, so we're in at the parking lot of Falmouth. So get the boss in the tablet and everything there, and I want to get something to eat because I'm hungry and me hungry. I want to get don't get chicken and pizza, you know, treat him nice and everything, but the place them full up, so we might just have to get one and it'll get late. You understand what I say? I'm going to go home to just edit a little video here real quick and post it, even if I feel tomorrow in the morning. Yeah man, but not go too long, or you get what I say, just something nice and spicy and short, yeah? But stay tuned. Yeah now, time to go get some feed. Me and the boss. Don't know, you know. What's that dance, man? You leave him like, Hey, hey, hey. Yeah guys, so right now we're in a Pizza Hut. Zimmy, but in a crowdy. So we have to go and keep a distance, you see me? Yeah man, just go and stay tuned though. Yeah guys, so right now we just get on one amazing tour. I don't know how they are there, man, just there go and wait. Yeah man, because we have to wait for 45 minutes. So after the 45 minutes now we have to actually just collect it and go. I don't even know if I try to get a chicken or nothing. I don't know what go on yet. But they are well hungry, skin white. Yo, cool and both of that is just, you know what I'm going to do when them go foreign. You know? But they are all the belt buckle cool.
Well, cool.
Guys, it's a joy. Still, just through the rain come through. It's a blessing still. Nah, cause it we get stuck at one place about 1 hour straight. So just there now. And I go on easy. I will wait for girl, but who just see what other do? Other no, wait for people and girls with me. Jesus, save me.
Because I look forward too much.
Yeah guys, finally after 45 minutes I'm going to tell you to the boss, hungry. We're there from day and now at night. You understand what I say? All the place cool, take time there, don't jump. Now the place cool outside, actually cool too, but it feel warm compared to inside.
I feel release.
Could I my lens smudge up? Alright guys, so right now they're back in the car and no more of things. The lens press up early and I'm going to try shoot Dary come out. See him having pizza there. Dary, max up pizza right now because you don't know a thing there, you know. Hungry from one. Put the bag on your side. Put the bag on the side. Yeah, put it in the back. Nice and boss birthday, you know. Take out this side. Nah man, after your birthday you first, you take out this side. Yes sir.
Yes sir.
And the Pepsi there is about when you get in a cup. You want getting some chicken and stuff, but you know curfew times everything like them already. And look at this side.
Extra.
Happy birthday man, you know?
Thanks.
Yeah guys, so we'll go back on the road and I want to take time for going. Reaching so I'll go and see him here.
Thank you, Jesus.
Not true? Yeah man, see boss, one Pepsi and one pizza. You don't know. Can't say birthday and well spent. You understand what I say? Well, you can't say it's still because I don't know if you enjoy yourself. You enjoy yourself today?
Well, nice.
I'm going to cheer and come and make your decks look a bit. But yeah guys, the boss eat pizza and pizza and we couldn't wait to be honest because from the other on the road and never eat nothing. Thanks. So we'll head back home now and then wrap things up and you know. Yeah guys, always man, just one big up on yourself. Yeah. Alright guys, so reach back in now and pay your things. Yeah man, so pull out your gift no Dary. Yep man, you're slow.
Go up some more on the bed. My God.
Box is so hard.
Help him, mommy. Can you? Alright, so you get what you did one for your birthday. Hold this. Yeah, man. Make sure you see no mash up it. And I want we can use chip. Yeah, Dary. Can't hold it now. Gone with the tablet. Clear. Not sure? I mean, my boss. Yeah, man, say something to your viewers and you subscribe by them, no, man.
Subscribe, share, comment, like. Don't forget, stay tuned, but if you didn't already. Yes, because sometimes she gets scared and not that she will say she don't want the one them pop off at her. And nobody.
Guys, I swear, I know say I feel Dary birthday, but I have to show you. This man I always like it. You know him, the Benji. See, man, have dragon mix up with milk and oat. Then they make strong box. Guys, drop down in the comment section if you know anything about that, yeah?